I work for a fairly large school district in San Ramon Valley. We have about 30,000 students, about 1,600 teachers, and another 1,600 or so certificated staff members. I am the Instructional Technology Coordinator, so I work with a lot of our digital platforms. The event that we hosted on February 20th was our all staff professional development day. So all 3,200 or so employees of our school district are invited to attend. They had something like 50 different sessions to select from at 3 different points in the day. And so that was really what we used Sched for, was to organize all of the sessions that were being offered. We cannot organize this event without a really powerful scheduling tool. So we reached out to 3 different vendors that do a similar task. And, kind of through that process, we realized that Sched was going to be the best fit. What we really needed was a user-facing tool, something that we could just easily send a link to people and say, here's how you're going to register for your sessions. Without Sched, I don't think we had anything that would have worked that way. All of the processes were very straightforward and intuitive. And so that was really nice. And then another reason, honestly, was price. You guys were very competitively priced. Some of the other products that we looked at were 10 times more expensive than yours. We've got something like, 75 rooms on the campus, and we were using all of them. And so we really wanted the feature that it has where it shows you conflicts was really helpful, because then we could see, we've got 2 people scheduled in the same room at the same time, and we could correct that. We also were able to download spreadsheets. So when people arrived, if they needed quickly, where's that room? I was just pulling it up on Sched, but there's people that wanted hard copies. So we did use that print feature too. Most people that responded to our survey gave Sched a 4 out of 4. They said it was easy. They didn't feel like they were overwhelmed with, emails and stuff from Sched. Yeah, they loved it.